In primetime news this evening.
You know when you take a deep breath and you feel your body go in and out, that no happen. Your lungs are cement.
Jamaican in New York recounts her harrowing experience with COVID-19. Inside the ICU, a sneak peek into a facility dedicated for COVID-19 patients in Jamaica. And more ventilators. University engineers launch massive project repairing damaged ventilators across the island. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're both on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the business day, sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: how has COVID-19 affected your preparation for Easter?
Share your comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.